Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video and would like to receive notification of my future video postings, please subscribe. For many years, I used to cook every Sunday, a big meal, a family type of dinner. And my wife used to say that I cook the same dish week after week, and it gets really boring. Of course, I would not listen to her, and I find her just simply exaggerating. But ever since I started my cooking classes as well as the YouTube channel, I make tremendous inroad in creating diversity in my dishes. And now I'm looking back that she was absolutely right. And she already keep telling me, well, you know, I told you so. Now with my fast cooking system, which involve flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, I have created tremendous diversity in my repertoire. Many of my students in my cooking classes, as well as some of the subscribers of my YouTube channel, will ask me, so what do you eat every day? Usually I cook for 2 to 3 people, my wife and my son, when he is around, and I usually cook 2 to 3 dishes. I know in some way it sounds like bragging, but actually it is very much true. Over the past years, I probably cooked hundreds and hundreds of dishes, but I have yet to cook 2 dishes exactly the same. And in actuality, I am certainly is not a great cook. I have never had any training in culinary school, but I is just curious and enjoy to explore different ways to alter my dishes. The thing I want to say to you is that if I could do it, you definitely can do it as well, probably better than I could. So this video, I call it a stir-fry bonanza or parade of dishes. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a little bit of a snippet from most of the dishes that I cooked in the past several weeks. So to give you a sense of the type of dishes that I cook on a daily basis. Hopefully this will also give you ideas that what you can cook as well. Oh, really? If you find this video helpful in your cooking, please click the like icon below because that will help me to expand my audience. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to receive notifications of my future video postings. Thank you for watching. I'll be looking for you.